Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is unit testing. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is unit testing? Unit testing is the process where you test the smallest functional unit of code. Software testing helps ensure code quality, and it is an integral part of software development. It's a software development best practice to write software as small functional units, then write a unit to test for each code unit. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is unit testing is all about. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your Frederick saying bye bye for now.